Hello everyone, today I will guide you to register for a WEEX cryptocurrency exchange account. Currently, new users can receive a reward worth 20,000 USDT when opening an account on WEEX. Complete KYC verification to receive 5 USDT welcome bonus. Transfer a minimum of 100 USDT to your futures account and maintain a net transfer balance of at least 500 USDT for 1 day to receive 20 USDT. Maintain a minimum net transfer balance of 500 USDT for 3 days to receive a minimum of 1,000 USDT into your futures account and maintain a minimum net transfer balance of 1,000 USDT for 3 days to receive 50 USDT. Reach 5,000 USDT or more in futures trading volume to receive 10 USDT. And there will be many other tasks. When completed, you will receive a total welcome reward of 20,000 USDT. Now, let's get to the main issue, registering a WEEX account. Click Sign Up. Fill in registration information, including email address, password. Note, please set your password according to the suggestion to get the safest and most secure password. To get the maximum welcome bonus, when registering an account you should enter the referral code of the WEEX Exchange, which is 3AND. Click Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Open the email and copy the verification code. After completing these steps, you have successfully created an account. Don't forget to complete the tasks to get up to 20,000 USDT new user welcome bonus. And you should also carefully read the terms and conditions that WEEX Exchange offers. I wish you all a successful WEEX account registration and receive the most rewards. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to follow the channel to receive the latest promotional notifications about cryptocurrencies.